If you have a 5th gen 4Runner and have been looking for a very simple way to have some extra storage in the back of your 4Runner, I'm about to show you how to get that. So this here is the 5th gen 4Runner we are working on here. In the back is where the magic happens, so let's take a look. So AJ with Colorado Camping Solutions is gonna go over this setup that we have behind us here, talk about pricing, lead times, stuff like that, and show you the quick and easy features of this drawer system.
What's up, y'all? We have a 5th gen 4Runner. We have a basic trunk box organization system. You can see with the Hex Ply on the outside, that Hex Ply gives us the opportunity to have drawer faces on here. And instead of having those yellow latches, we went for these cam style latch, giving us a lockable feature. Both these slide out. You can see we have lids on top, big work area. We were just going over, we mounted this in the truck. You can see it's in there solid. These flip back and prop up. So if you need to get in there and you don't want to have that in the way, you can still get in your drawers, divided drawer slides. This box is $12.75 out the door before tax. If you guys were interested in ordering this today, it'd be about a 4-week lead time. We'd be delivering right at the end of August, early September. We do expedited builds too if you're in a rush.
And this vehicle here is getting an ICECO slide along with an ICECO fridge right over here and their battery bank system. So that drawer system will be able to support all of this and be able to slide out. So this setup right here really maximizes your trunk space. It goes all the way up to the wheel well on both sides, while giving you still access to all the panels and tail light access if you need to change bulbs or anything like that. And then obviously you still have your big open area here for other gear as well. But on top, fridge, power bank, whatever you want to put up here, you can definitely do it. And then of course, since this is wood, you can easily screw into this and put some tie downs if you didn't want to use a slide. However, this one is getting a slide. So if you have been looking for a drawer system for a while now, and ordering one from one of the bigger companies is gonna, one, take a long time because they have huge lead times, and then two, it's not customizable. Whereas if you want something a little more custom, this one here that you just saw is pretty generic because it's split down the middle, has dividers. However, it's kind of the perfect setup in my opinion. But the other really good option is if you wanted a double stack, if you wanted something underneath, if you wanted one side bigger than the other for larger gear and then one side for smaller gear, that would be another way to do it. However, they're gonna kind of be in the same price range. So what you see here is gonna be very competitive what you're gonna be getting with Goose gear, Dobinsons, all the other drawer system that you'll see in the market. But you'll probably be able to get it quicker and you can customize it however you want it to. So in my opinion, it's a good option and it's worth taking a look at. Reach out to AJ, have them build you out something that you're interested in. If you want something fully custom, they could do that as well. Whereas other big companies, they're kind of a cookie cutter style and then you can really just get what you get. But I will have their contact information down in the description if you want to check it out. They are in Denver, Colorado, so if you wanted to swing on by and talk to him in person, you can definitely do that as well. But that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys next time.